Hey guys, I'm Kyle Hughes with Hughes Dry Professional Carpet Care. Today I'm here with Brad and Noel Banks, the Banks team with Atlantic Communities Real Estate. I just want to give them an opportunity to share with you why they choose Hughes Dry for maintaining their own home and why you refer us to so many of your clients.
Yeah. Well, we were thrilled with the service they provided and very excited to align with them business-wise as well because they provide a great service for our clients. They have a great product. It's organic and plant-based, and I know that's important to a lot of people these days, especially to us. Also, when you look at it from a listing agent perspective, when we're trying to get a house on the market, you have a short time frame, scheduling photographers. It's hard a lot of times with carpet companies because they'll come in, the carpet's wet, you've got to wait a day or two for it to dry, and then you get the photographer. It's just complicated. So what's great about them, there's no water, so when they clean and they leave, it's done, it's ready. And you also don't have to worry about what kind of stains are going to appear later. What's it going to look like when it actually dries? It's done. So what you see is what you get. Mm-hmm. Also, we have a lot of need for carpet stretching. A lot of times we'll notice that carpet's buckled in a client's home and it just doesn't look good. And there's really not a whole lot of people that provide that service with the buckling, so they can help you with that and any other carpet repair needs. So we've been thrilled to align with them, and they have fantastic service.
And with 30 years in the business, you're confident that we can refer them out to our clients. And it's wonderful because their service is so friendly and they educate us through the process. So it's great.
Yeah, right on. Thank you guys so much for sharing your experience with us. Not only are we able to maintain the carpets, the area rugs, but we're also able to assist with your air duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, mattress sanitation, upholstery cleaning, and then as you mentioned, the restretch and repair. This is stuff, we always offer a lifetime warranty on our restretch and repair. And with our carpet cleaning, the fact that it's dry and ready to use, organic, it's just a recipe for an awesome experience. So give us a call, 678-494-4884. Thank you guys.